Hello everyone. Welcome to Grammar Buzz, your one-stop channel for learning English in a simple and fun way. Today's topic is material nouns and what they are and the important rules you need to know for your classes. Well, before we move on with the main lesson, let us quickly get to know the lesson objectives for the day. And the lesson objectives are getting to know what are material nouns with examples, identifying them in sentences, and also understanding grammar rules related to them. So let's begin. So here comes the million-dollar question. What are material nouns? So what are material nouns? Let's find out. A material noun is a name of a substance or material from which things are made. These nouns are usually natural or man-made material. In other words, they are the raw products from which things are made. Material nouns are mostly uncountable and denote mass and not individual units. A material noun is the name of a material or substance that things are made of. These are things we cannot count, but we can measure or use. Some examples of material nouns are gold. Gold is a shiny yellow metal. It is used to make jewelries like ring, bangles and necklace, so it is a material noun. Water is a liquid that we drink every day to stay healthy. We also use water for cooking, cleaning and bathing, so water is a material noun too. Rice is a grain that we eat, especially with curry or dal. It is a food item that is grown in fields. Rice is a material noun because it is a thing we need to eat, and we measure it like 1 kg of rice, not count it like 1 rice or 2 rice. Now that we know what are material nouns, let us look into the rules one at a time. Rule 1. Material noun is treated as uncountable noun. Material nouns are mass nouns. They do not take plural forms. They are always treated as singular, even though they may appear in large quantities. For example, milk is good for health, not milks are good for health. Rule 2. Articles a or an are not used. Since material nouns are uncountable, we do not use indefinite articles a or an before them. For example, I drank milk this morning, not I drank a milk this morning. Rule 3. Quantified with units of measurement. Since material nouns cannot be normally counted and they are uncountables, we can measure them using units of measurement or containers. For example, we can say a glass of water, not 3 waters. Rule 4. Material nouns can function as common nouns. Sometimes a material noun changes its function and becomes a common noun. How? When the name of the material is used to refer to an object, tool or article or product made from that material, it is treated as a common noun. For example, iron is a strong metal. Here iron means the metal itself, so iron is a material noun. But take a look at the next sentence. I bought an iron yesterday. Here iron means an electric appliance used for pressing clothes. Since it is a name of a thing that we can count as iron, 2 iron, 1 iron, 3 iron, here it is a common noun. Rule 5. No plural markers like s or es can be used with material nouns. Material nouns are uncountable, so we cannot use s or es or any plural forms with them, but we can definitely use s or es with the containers and the units. Look at the example sentences. Cups of tea, which is correct, but cups of teas, which is wrong. Think like this. We can count cups, bottles, glasses, spoons, but we certainly cannot count tea, water, milk, rice, as they are uncountable. So we only add s or es to the container, not the material. Now let us quickly recap all the rules that we have just learnt, and they are: material nouns are always treated as singular and uncountable. We never use any article as a or an with them. We use quantifiers with units of measurement with material nouns, and material nouns can sometimes act as common nouns, and we always avoid plural forms with them. Now with this we have reached our practice time section. In this part you will see two options for each question. Your task is very simple. You have to choose the correct option, read both options carefully, think for a moment and then select the correct answer. Now here is the most important part. Pause the video here, take your time, solve the questions on your own. After solving, write your answer in the comment box below. I will check your answer and reply to you if you have any doubts or questions. So be active, be confident and try your best. Let's see how many of you get all the answers correct. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed this video and learned something new and useful. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, comment your answers and thoughts, and subscribe to my channel Grammar Buzz. And also press the bell icon so you never miss any new grammar lessons. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in the next video with a new and interesting topic. Goodbye and take care.